Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another new video. So in this video we are gonna learn how to create an AI Christmas ad. Alright. By the way, Merry Christmas to everyone, guys. So we are gonna create an AI Christmas ad. I have my Notion guide here. I will put the link in the description also. You guys can follow along. Alright, so first we need our product image. I'm not gonna search any product image because I have my own product image now. So I'm gonna go to Google Gemini. I am gonna add files, upload image, and this will be my product. And then after that, I'm gonna add this, copy paste this image prompt. Don't forget to create the image, paste, and submit. If you can create your own product also, guys, you can create your own product with your name on it. As you can see, I've put my name on it, and you can just tell Google Gemini that give some product image, you know suggestion. Like it can be a drink, it can be a skincare or a food brand or anything. So you can just tell Google Gemini to create your own product image instead of searching. Alright, so I have my own product now. I can see that there is some spelling problem, but let's redo it again. Okay, it remains the same, so I'm just gonna go ahead with this. I'm gonna download this one. Now what we are gonna do is we're gonna go to Kling AI. I'm gonna download this, the image that we have generated together. Now we are gonna add our video prompt, copy and paste. Okay, so our video is being generated. This will take a while, so once it's done, I'll get back. Okay, so we have our result right now. Let's see how our result is. Okay, the result is nice. If you are not satisfied, then you can regenerate again. But for me, this is fine, and I have clicked download already. Alright, so that's it, guys. That's how you can create an AI Christmas advertisement. Alright, and I really hope this tutorial is helpful for you, valuable for you. And if you're watching until the very end, please drop a yellow heart or yellow star, or you can comment, I watched till the very end. Alright, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.